I'm chair of a Robot Revolution Industrial IoT Initiative, RRI. My name is Omiya. Mr. Ueda et al. Of METI, and those who came all the way from overseas, and ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to show my appreciation for your participation to the Robot Revolution and Industry IoT International Symposium 2019 as a co-organizer. And at the same time, this symposium is being held at this venue where International Robot Exhibition is being held, where robot and IoT stakeholders are getting together, and I'd like to show my appreciation to this opportunity. And this year's symposium theme is Future Vision of Industrial IoT, how the relationship between people and machines should be. And at the start of the symposium, I'd like to deliver the message from RRI. So here is the contents of my messages. First, recognition of the world trend of IoT and the fourth industrial revolution. And next, the purpose and approach of RRI activities and the recent results. And finally, I'd like to talk about expectations for today's symposium. Last year, I have explained these four recognition on a world trend of IoT, fourth industry revolution. First, from factory improvement to total optimization of engineering chain and supply chain. That's first. And second point, it is shifting from single product to system. And third one, shifting from manufacturing goods to services. And fourth recognition is a shifting, maximizing pre-competitive collaboration and avoiding useless competition. Now, these are the top purposes of RRI. First one, aiming for sustainable, inclusive economic growth, as shown in Society 5.0. And second purpose is aiming for a structure that creates new user experience, from accelerating innovation to support economic growth. In Japan, with scarce resources, the science and technology manufacturing industry should leverage, and manufacturing industry is accounting for 20% of GDP, needs to be play an important role. So there is a paradigm shift is taking place, and growth through incorporating new businesses created by innovation, as represented in such cities as Silicon Valley and Shenzhen. And we have to leverage this type of dynamism in Japan as well. Now, we have grown through Kaizen improvements rooted in three key factors in Japan's monozukuri of manufacturing: Genba, Genbutsu, Genjitsu principle. Now, in the era of IoT and digital transformation, we have to merge these two. And also, the managers of the corporations are required to have a thought leadership which can lead the world, country, and corporation. So these are the key points for RRI's effort. First, sharing the future image of the society and manufacturing by domestic and international discussion. And next, creating rich experience value for the customers through smart products and smart services, and utilizing technologies such as IoT and AI. And we have to have the engineering transformation, dissemination of systems engineering. And we have to maximize cooperation in the pre-post-competitive area. These are the two future visions as examples. And these have been drawn with the collaboration with Germany. One is the administration shell mechanism. So this is like plug and play. If you connect the printer to the network, and if you turn it on, and then you can get a print very easily. So if you want to leverage the data of the operation of machine tool, if the machine tool is connected to network, and then you can get the data. So we discussed the requirement of machine tools profile information. And then this would lead to the initiative to connect the parts, equipment, management system, and also layers of composition elements. Another example is based on the collaboration with Akatech. And this is a proposal on how the relationship between man and machine should be in the digital society. And this is proposing how the man and machine should coexist. There is some concern that human beings' capability may be degenerated due to the help from machines. ROI is to share the future visions of society and manufacturing industry in and out of Japan so that we can have the sustainable and inclusive future. And we believe that this would lead to the advancement of machinery industry in Japan. When we discuss the future vision of industry, the standardization will play an important role. And at IEC, the Smart Manufacturing System Committee has been launched since last year. And one is the marketing or education activities to the stakeholders and setting up the mechanism to leverage the use cases in the technical committees and sorting out the terminology and also navigation organization. And RRI is a managing group, Japanese managing group at IEC Smart Manufacturing System Committee. And we are actively working on this. And we would like to have two themes for paradigm shift in this session. One is the future vision sharing and system approach for the responsible process. And we should identify the IoT fourth industry future vision through the session. And as for the robot arena, on this Monday, the industry robot manufacturers, 6 companies, FA Robot System Integrator Association, and National Polytechnic has closed the memorandum of understanding based on the proposal from METI. And RRI has set the secretariat underneath, and we are going to play an important role in this. Thank you.